Alright, first we'll work on page number 9. It's the one that has all the pictures of the different tools on it. So please follow along and fill it out as I go through it. Some of the tools that I'll be showing you look a little bit different than the pictures you may have, but their uses are the same. I'll hold up the tools and then also tell you what they're used for. This is our shovel. I don't have a saw with us because we probably won't be needing it. But if we happen to, it looks just like the saw in the picture. This is our pit kit. It has everything in it that we will need to study the snowpack. So the first thing in it, and maybe the most important piece, is our spatula. It has a big major use of going through and cutting down through the snowpack and finding all the different layers of snow. Once we have found all the layers of snow, or as we're cutting down through the snowpack with our spatula, we mark the layers with these tongue depressors. Just insert them into the snowpack whenever we find a new layer. It'll make a little bit more sense as you're actually doing it. And then once the layers are marked, we can use our extendo ruler or our folding ruler to measure and where all the snow layers are and the total depth of the snowpack. This is kind of interesting because it's one of the few times that you're doing science and you're using inches. We also have our inclinometer, which when used properly, it'll tell you how steep the slope is. You just match up the little arrow to the degrees and it gives you the steepness of the slope. We have the compass, which will tell you the aspect of the slope or which direction the hill actually is facing. Now we also have our magnifying glass or hand lens and then our felt card to look at the different types or the different crystals of snow, and that'll tell us a lot about it as well. We have our snow card or our snow grain type card, which I don't think you have a picture of in your journal page, but you can write it down next to the hand lens and your felt card because this also helps us learn about the different snow grain types. We have a thermometer, which I think you have a digital thermometer in your picture, but these do the same thing. They just take a little bit longer, and with them we'll find out the temperature of the different layers of snow and also the air and ground temperature, which tells us a whole lot about what's happening inside of the snow. And then last but not least, we have our purple tube. Sometimes the tubes are white, but this is 100 milliliters. This will tell us, or this we will use to help calculate SWE, or snow water equivalency. With this, we take out 100 milliliters of snow. We put it into one of our very technical plastic baggies, and then we weigh it. And then the combination of the weight and the known volume of snow tells us exactly how much water is held within the snow, because snow is not 100% water. It's actually mostly air. So again, we can't wait to see you